Hey guys, welcome to Natural Ring DRX. In this video, I'm going to discuss about some acupressure points about interstitial cystitis, which is also called a painful bladder syndrome. Before starting a video, I just wanted to tell you guys that I already made two videos about this topic, which is one is related to the acupressure point, which is very helpful. If you haven't seen, please go to my interstitial cystitis playlist and check it out. And second one would be the natural herbs which are able to cure this problem, which is not cured by the Western medication, at least 80 to 90%. And I have so many patients who are back to the life and completely normal, and they don't need to take the antibiotics again and again. They don't need to go for the surgery, and they are pain free. So if you haven't checked those videos, please go to my interstitial cystitis playlist and check it out them. And this is the third video of that series, in which I'm gonna tell you some magical acupressure point which will really helpful to cure this problem and to helpful to cure the pain and control the symptoms of interstitial cystitis. So let's start the video. But before, one appeal: if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell notification so that you never miss my healthy videos. Okay, the first point would be, so right here in between of your middle finger and the ring finger, just right here. Yes, this is the correspondence point of our urinary bladder. So we need to press it nicely. So we'll need a AcuDoctor machine, and we'll turn on it on number 2. Sensation will be number 2. If you don't have this machine, you can also press it by the back of the pen or any pointy thing. But if you get this machine, it will be more beneficial, because this machine will stimulate the point deeply and you will get the better result. So if you don't have, and if you wanted to buy, I'll give a link on my description as well as on pin comment, by which you can buy online. So let's start the AcuDoctor machine. You can see it started and stimulated. So now we need to press this point. This is a bladder correspondence point. We need to press it, and just like a pumping pressure, just press it, hold and release. Again, press it, hold and release. You need to repeat this treatment at least 7 to 10 times at a same span. I mean, right now, if you're giving a treatment, you have to press this point at least 10 times, and you have to press for at least 10 seconds, hold and release. Then press it, hold and release. And if you want, you can also stimulate this thing by the hand and by the thumb, and just press it just like this. You can see that, like this you can press it. So this is your first point. You can also put a star magnet on this point by the help of surgical tape. Just like here, I have this surgical tape. You will, if you don't have, I'll give a link. You can buy it online, and I'm showing you how you can put it. If you don't have the star magnet, then you can use any kind of seeds, just like I'm showing. This is the lentil seeds I'm using on the surgical tape, and I'm applying this thing over on this bladder correspondence point right here, like this. I applied it, and I'll just press it to stimulate it. And if you wanted to buy a star magnet, I'll give a link on the description and pin comment. You can buy there by online. So you just stimulate this point at least 10 times, and hold it for 10 seconds and release, hold it for 10 seconds and release. So it will be very beneficial point. You need to press it very nicely, and you will have some pain while pressing, but bear it, because if you have the pain on the local pain, gradually this pain will recover. As long as your problem will recover, this pain will also disappear by this point. So this is the first point of the bladder correspondence point. So now I'm going to tell you the second point. So the second point is right here between of the middle finger and index finger, right here at this location. Just see, I'll make it dark. Just right here. This is the basic point of this insect point, you can also say, of this. If you have any kind of UTI, urinary infection or bladder infection, these points are also beneficial of those conditions also, because in interstitial cystitis, your bladder lining was irritated, inflamed, and so many problems. So these points are completely useful to get rid of the pain, inflammation, swelling, and the irritation. So that's why you need to press it again by your finger. Just press it and stimulate and release. Press, stimulate and release, and press, stimulate and release. And afterwards you need to use your AccuDoctor machine. So I'll just take the AccuDoctor machine just right here as I shown you. Again we will stimulate this point. We'll put the AccuDoctor machine on number 2. We'll turn it on and use it on this basic point, like right here. We need to press it, hold and release. Again we'll repeat this treatment on this point for at least 10 times on the same. When I'm giving this, hold and release, and repeat it for 10 times. Hold and release, press, hold and release. Just like that you need to stimulate this point. So now I'm going to tell you the next other points. We have few more points in our hands, and I wanted to tell you one more thing. These points what I am showing on one hand, these are bilateral. I mean in both the hands you will get it. So now the first point, this point at the side of your middle finger towards the ring finger, that is called. So now I'm going to tell you some few more points which is related to the kidney area, because when the bladder is associated, your kidney is also as you know, related to those problems. So the first point will be right here. This is the first point, which is called K1 point. That means kidney 1 point. I'll make it a little dark. Kidney 1 point. It is just starting tip of your middle finger towards the index finger. So this is the first point. Second point will be at the middle area of your middle finger right here. This is called K3 point. And then right here, this is called K6 point. At the corner side of your first joint of your middle finger, this is called K6 point, kidney 6 point. And then this is the, let me do it a little bit. This is the K10 point, which is situated at the side of your second joint right here of middle finger, second joint of your middle finger at the corner, at the side. So this is called K10, that means kidney 10 point. So we need to press these points by the help of the finger or this AccuDoctor machine. Again, I'll turn it on number 2. Sensation, and this is started right like this. And now I'm gonna press these things like this. First the K1 point, just give a treatment, stimulated, press, hold and release for at least 5 times. Then this, the middle, that is the kidney 3 point, press it, hold and release. These ones are really good for the IC. Press, hold and release, press, hold and release. This is the kidney 6 point. And then at least hold for 10 seconds. This is the K10 point. Hold and release. Press, hold and release. This is the K10 point. You have to give at least 10 time treatment when you are giving it. And in whole day, you can treat this whole point, what I have told you in this video, at least 3 to 4 times in a day, like morning, afternoon, evening, night. If you're in the office or somewhere, you can give a treatment by the hand, and once you come at the home, or you can carry this AccuDoctor machine. This is not very big, very small, you can, and very lightweighted. So these are the overall points of, if you wanted to put the star magnets, you can also apply on these points also, because they are very, very good for the bladder and kidney health, and they can also help to reduce the inflammation and pain and heaviness of the bladder, and frequent urination, like retention, those problems also. So at the end, you have to press the middle area of your palm right here. This is the main kidney points, and you have to press it, hold and release. You feel pain on this point, presses, hold and release. So these are the overall points, and these are bilaterals. You can find it on both the hands. You can apply the star magnets also. I hope you like the information, friends. If you like it, please give a like, share with your friends and family, and whoever is a needy one. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask me on the comment section, and I'll definitely reply. Stay tuned, stay healthy, take care guys.